I will talk about how can you select categories on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. So you click here on categories down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And here can you select if you want to add home kitchen or woman clothes in here, or woman's curve clothing or woman's shorts. Here can you select here, or here can you select shop by category in this list on your Temu app. So that's all you have to do to select your categories here. That's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.